Hello, my name is Amara, Sunless training professional. Experience the sexy side of Sunless with our new color-rich collection. Introducing the new Perfecting Primer, made with organic ingredients to improve skincare benefits. This primer is formulated with an organic aloe base to hydrate and soothe skin before your sunless session, helping to extend the life of your sunless color. Our Perfecting Primer is infused with protein and carbohydrates to prime your skin for a darker, sunless DHA tan, while caffeine helps tone and energize the skin. The Organic Botanical blend contains a combination of organic blueberry, spinach, and cranberry to help combat free radicals and to help skin look and feel healthy. This primer is blue in color to help balance the unwanted orange tones that are a common concern in sunless tanning. To prep for your gorgeous color, lightly spray directly onto skin, avoiding the eyes. Allow the hydration to soak in for 60 seconds before starting your sunless application. For best results, use our CT Body Buff or Color Perfecting Towelette to exfoliate before starting your tanning routine. In your daily routine, use the Perfecting Primer before you apply your makeup to help it last longer by adding hydration to your skin. You can also use it as a refreshing spray when your face is feeling dry throughout the day. With these tips and techniques, you are now on your way to gorgeous bronze color. For more professional sunless tips, check out our website and social media channels.